Okay, Nathan.
Yes.
What? Mhm.
Well, we could start moving the machines down here, and then maybe work on thought train derailed. Work on getting the I know what I'm talking about.
We'll get there eventually.
Yes, we don't have that sound on the soundboard, unfortunately.
Hold on, I do. Give me 2 seconds. Hold on. Hold on.
He'll get there eventually, the poor fecker.
There we go.
That's the one. Empower. The thing we do to get to the Twilight Forest.
What?
Yeah, the Empower.
Mindman.exe has stopped responding. Speaking of, I have a thing that we need.
Okay.
For forest place. I just have to figure out where I put it. Here we go.
Yes.
I found
that will help.
Yes, I found.
Yes, I remember seeing that in your playthrough. So, you've probably forgotten, but during your brief single-player playthrough, you made the Empower thingy.
Yes.
The thing with 4 display stands and the thing in the center.
Yes, I know.
Yes. That's probably the next thing to do.
Yes. Do we want to work on a more sustainable power source first?
Yes. Thermoelectric generators.
Yes. And I'm sure Nathan is going to do all the technical talk.
Probably. That's yes.
That's how this normally goes.
Well, would you like to move the machines downstairs while I work on a basic nuclear battery?
Nuclear battery?
Yes.
We're getting nuclear already?
Sort of. Because we can use uranium as the heat source for it.
Sounds like a totally safe thing to just have in our basement.
Mm-hmm.
Absolutely nothing could go wrong at all whatsoever.
TM.
Yeah, with having radioactive technology in our basement.
That said, I might need to help you with the machines, because I'm probably going to need the machines to make half the things I need to make the thing I'm about to try to make. Oh, you know what? We can't work on the thermoelectric generators yet.
Why?
We need a machine from thermal expansion, and we need to go to the Twilight Forest to get Thurdus quartz. I'm definitely going to make fun of myself in post for that. We need Thurdus to make the machine. Unless you would like to go to Nether and kill a million blazes and die hilariously, so we can make the other machine to make steel.
Yeah, no, I'm good. Let's
okay.
Some forests.
Okay. Plan C, go back to plan A. How are we on quartz? Like nether quartz? Because we're gonna need like a stack and a half of that, I think.
Let's see how much What's the findy thingy tricky?
T. Hover over a thing and then before you hit T. I've got like 4.5 stacks. We probably have enough.
I have 6.
6 quartz or 6 stacks?
6 quartz.
That's what I thought. Okay. I like how you just stuck the light on the edge of the machine.
Here, maybe. Oh, I can't hear it. Oh no, there. I feel like it's a little bit more fitting to be coming out of the power source, maybe potentially, or the power storage bomb thing.
I'm just gonna pretend none of this ever happened. We need to make the Empower, and the Empower requires 4 display stands to operate, and also we need a 5th one to craft the Empower. So we need to make 5, of these display stands, each of which is 6 quartz blocks.
We're gonna need a lot of the redstone crystal nabobs.
A lot? Well, not a lot. We need some.
If you want to do the math, I can figure out exactly how many we need.
You know what happened the last time you had me do math?
The display stand
Yes.
needs a basic coil, which is 4 redstone nabobs.
Yes.
Meaning, and we need 5, so that's 5, 10, 15, 20. I think, if I did the math correctly.
Yes. And then we need
1.
2 more coils, if I'm doing this correctly, for the Empower itself. And then a couple more redstones. Zapped redstones.
So I should make like 30 zapped redstones. Got it.
It'll do. If it doesn't, it'll don't.
Now, let's see how many I even have in the first place.
I brought some redstone with me if you need it.
No, I have. I thought I had some zapped redstone already, but apparently not because JEI isn't finding any zap.
So for the display stand, we need aesthetic quartz, which you can get by just zapping a block of quartz,
Oh yes.
and an aesthetic green block, which is a highly technical term, which you get by zapping chisel quartz. Zap. Zap. You were saying?
Yes.
Did you forget what you were saying?
Yes.
Skill issue.
Thank you.
Would you like to be the gopher this time around?
Yeah, if I can, like, not break my keybinds. Okay, what am I gophering? Oh, you're gonna need those.
Iron, gold, and black quartz.
Iron, well, okay. How much iron and how much gold?
Yes.
Okay, I'll
Just give me a stack. Just give me a stack of all of it, and I'll figure it out.
58 gold. Take it or leave it.
Sold.
Okay. Apparently that's all the gold we have. And you said black quartz?
Yes.
I have no idea how much of that stuff I have, so we'll see.
I know one of us has some.
Yeah, we can always steal from Keo. Did I say that out loud?
You said that out loud on I can't say it on tape because it's not on tape. You said it out loud on video.
Okay, Keo has 7 black quartz. I have 0. And we're gonna go see how many you have. You have 15.
I win!
We have 22 black quartz in total.
That is plenty.
Okay. I was gonna say good, because I don't want to go finding the stuff.
Alright. 5 of you. 5 of you. Maybe think about where we want to put a Twilight Forest portal, because we kind of want to figure out where... We'd like to figure out our permanent home fort before building it, so we don't have to move it and go through all this rigmarole again to get this funny shaped glowy diamond.
We have an awkward corner here we could use.
Well, we might want to think about a portal room somewhere, because there's going to be like, at least 10 different portals to 10 different places.
We could dig out this awkward corner to be a bigger awkward corner that we can put the portals in.
Okay.
Guess what I just ran into?
Dirt!
Yeah. You watched me do that, didn't you?
Yes, I did. I watched you try to hammer it.
Yeah. Yeah. We probably don't need the portal room to be as big as the rest of the room, right?
No, but it will still need to be fairly sizable.
Not big, like vertical.
Not as big as the rest of this basement, no, but
yeah,
yes.
but like it can be this like 1 block shorter.
Oh, it doesn't. Yeah, it doesn't need to be as tall. It needs to be as tall as, say, a nether portal.
So at least 3 blocks.
Yeah.
In today's episode, Nathan builds a Twilight Forest portal, and Mindman digs a hole.
You know,
There's-
I'm just now finding out how hard it is for YouTubers and streamers to build stuff in Minecraft and try to be funny on voice at the same time.
Yes, it's hard to make digging a hole entertaining. There's this voice clip in Subnautica where it's basically like it's your tablet thing telling you that your favorite activity is swimming.
Mhm.
Well, for me, my favorite activity seems to be digging holes.
Well, it's Minecraft.
Yes, mine is part of the name after all.
Yes. Funny that. So, for those following along at home, the way the Empower works is put it down, and then either you read the manual and you know where to put these 4 display stands, or you've done it enough times that you know that you just put it 2 blocks away. Plunk, 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 plunk. Now, we need cables.
What
Yeah.
do you need me to go for?
Snad.
Snad?
Snad that I can
Snad?
smelt into ass.
Oh my god, Keo has a stack in 44 sand.
Huh. Well,
Yeah. Guess what I'm
Go.
stealing all of? Do you have any of the framed stuff anywhere?
potentially.
Oh yeah,
Probably
it's
in
your,
tools.
it's in your tools chest.
Yeah.
I'm making some corner bombs. That way I can do some corner mobomby stuff. Do you think this is sufficient size for a portal room for now, Nathan?
Potentially.
Potentially.
Yes.
Guess what? Guess what? I need to go find Nathan.
A chisel.
Yes.
This feels kind of weird. How I'm trying to record a video where I'm both explaining things to explaining technical stuff to the viewers, and bantering with my co-player.
Well, you can tell me to shut up so you can explain some technical things, and I'll just silently do my thing in the background.
that's not the problem. It feels like It feels like you're here, and I feel like I'm explaining this, and I'm explaining this to you when I know very well that you've gone through this before.
Yeah, Nathan,
Yes.
say the line.
Skill issue.
Thank you. I'm looking at these chiseled cobblestone. I'm like, these are the same type. Why aren't they stacking? It's because I was holding a full stack of them in my hand already.
Oh my god.
Hey Nathan.
Would you like an exchanger?
I just broke my hammer, so probably. I'm also gonna need a.
I don't know if I have any A's.
I'm gonna need you to tell me how to use the thing too. Is what I'm trying to say.
So, shift right click on the block to set the block that you want to change things into. Then you just right click on the things you want to change. And you can hit comma to open up a interface to let you change some settings. Zap.
Hey Nathan,
Yes.
can you undarken this room, please? If you have
Yeah.
the materials in which to do so.
Let me run up and grab my nice lighting. There's a great big hole in the ceiling.
What do you mean? There's a hole in the ceiling? You mean the hole that I just filled in?
Yes.
Okay. You know, this looks weird to me, and I kind of want to switch it out for marble, but then I would have to do that for all the pillars.
Yeep. That does look like it's how it ought to be, I'll be honest.
Okay, well, I'll go run around
Tick.
exchanging things then. Also, yes, exchanger is now a verb.
I guess so. We can't change it now.
There we go. That looks.
Did you ever either give me or start smelting that sand?
No, I did not.
Skill
Here you
issue. Thank you.
Your mom's a skill issue. Yeah, you're not gonna make that joke on camera now, are you?
Nope. There's an ever so slightly non-zero chance that she might one day watch it.
I'm just gonna. Wow. I'm gonna just put non-textured limestone into the floor for now. If you wanna,
Okay, that'll do.
you
That'll do
wanna-
well enough, I guess.
if you wanna texture it up at some point, go ahead. Nathan,
Yes.
say the line.
Skill issue.
Thank you. I just exchanged the wrong block.
Was it a torch?
No, it was. I accidentally put.
Well, then you're doing better than I was.
Also, this exchanger is about to die. Is there a way to repair it, or do we just have to recraft it? One.
I'll just have to buy a new one or craft a new one. Well, we'll see if it lasts long enough to finish the room.
Yeah. This is unfortunate. Nathan,
Yes.
I'm short one block for finishing the ceiling in here.
So, to empower this, put some clay, and some clay, and a bunch of clay, some light blue dye, and zap.
I suppose we need to dig out our portal now.
Yes. Dirt. We need some plants. All right. So we need to make a portal to the Twilight Forest. You do that. Make a ring of dirt, 4x4. Fill it with water. And just stick a bunch of flowers around. That was terribly explained. There's my flowers in my bag. I'm sure I had more than that. Oh, there's some. I think modded flowers count, so things like this. I don't have enough. Can I plant mushrooms here? I can plant one mushroom there.
I have bamboo.
Let's try it and see. Right. So, in the name of expert light, you can't just throw a diamond in here to open the portal anymore. You need to throw this thing in. And there it is.